Everyone, Akash here. Today I'm going to review Andrea and LANBENA. Which one is better? I always get a question, which one is better for your hair and what would be the best way to use it. By the way, whatever the hair you see I have left over because some of the best natural product I used over the year. Andrea for like more than a year ago when I first started using it. So this is like the small bottle. If you look, the LANBENA is about the same small bottle. So let's start with the Andrea. Andrea is a pure ginger, okay? Pure ginger. So what do you do? The recommended way to do it, let's say you have a shampoo, the shampoo you like, you personally using. So give you example, this is the shampoo. This is like about 10 ounce. Now it's about 12 ounce shampoo, 280 milli, okay? So if you have this kind of shampoo, any shampoo that you like you using currently, so let's say you order this is very cheap. This is around like $5. I have the link in description box, and this could last for a long time because you're not using much. So let's say you have a shampoo in home and you get this Andrea, you ordered it, you got it, and you shake it very well and you open it up. See, this is how it's gonna look like. So you open this up, the shampoo, and you're just gonna put about 3 drops, only 3 drops, because 3 drops is good, more than enough, unless you have a bigger than this. If you have a shampoo like 20 ounce or 30 ounce, then you put every 10 ounce shampoo you put 3 drops. So 20 ounce shampoo you would put 6 drop. If it's 30 ounce shampoo, you're gonna put 9 drop. So this is why I'm telling you, one shampoo how long it lasts, depend on your hair. Man and women both could use it. So if your hair is like short like me, that could last you maybe like 6-7 months, or could be a year, because you're only using very small amount. So this is pure ginger. So this is the best way to use it. But some people ask me, can I use Andrea straight to my hair without using the shampoo? I mean, I don't personally use it, but if you do use it, this is very strong ginger. So if your hair situation is really bad, and if you see some really bald spot, you could just put 1 drop there and gently massage it. And gently massage it, don't not too much, but gently massage it, and I think that should really help you regrow your hair fast. But if you do that personally using this to your hair, then this is a very small bottle and it's pretty cheap, it's affordable. So you could buy like few bottles like this and you could use it. And pure ginger, so there's no side effect or nothing in it. That should definitely help. But I do use it in the shampoo. By the way, this is pure ginger shampoo, okay? You could find it in my in a channel playlist. I detailed video about biotin shampoo, ginger shampoo. If let's say if you get a ginger shampoo, you buy a ginger shampoo, this is pure ginger, then you don't need this, so you could just use this pure ginger shampoo. But the pure ginger shampoo, this is, I get it, this is a little bit expensive. This is like around like $15-17. It's on sale. I have the link in description box. But if you don't and you spend that much money, $15-17, then you could just get like around $5. This is Andrea, and you could use whatever the shampoo you're using. If you like it, just get this for like $5-6, and you're good to go. So now you took about the LANBENA also with the ginger, but it has a ginseng. It has like 8 different ingredients, natural ingredients in it. So that makes it much more stronger than Andrea. Andrea is like pure ginger, and this has 8 ginger plus 8 different ingredients, pure ingredients. So what I noticed, I didn't use this more than 4 months, about 4 months. So now what I noticed, this one helps me faster regrow my hair if I use it in shampoo. So again, it's the same formula. If you have like 10 ounce shampoo, you use 3 drop. This is how it's gonna look like. There's a small cap, you could take it out. So you could put like 3 drop in a shampoo, 3 drop in 10 ounce shampoo, 6 drop 20 ounce shampoo, 30 ounce shampoo you put 9 drops, or if you have a 100 ml shampoo you put 3 drop, 200 ml shampoo you put 6 drop, 300 ml shampoo you put 9 drops. So you got the concept. Again, if you wanted to use directly to your hair, and if you recently start losing hair, you recently thinning out your hair, I wouldn't recommend use it directly to your skin. I think if you use it in shampoo is better. And but if your hair is situation really bad, then you could definitely give it a shot, because I personally did not do that, but you could personally give it a shot. So it's not all natural ingredients, so no side effect or nothing, so it's harmless whichever the way you use it. But again, this bottle is really small. It's very cheap, like I said, $5. I get the link in description box. But so you could choose, this is pure ginger, and this is like ginger plus 8 different ingredients. Both works, but this one probably works a little better because it has so many other ingredients in it. But I would recommend use it in a shampoo. But if you're gonna use it in shampoo, you're gonna use it just don't use too much, just put a little bit wherever you need it and gently massage it. And if you're thinking, if it's working, then continue use it, but then definitely try to get at least 2 bottles, so it's gonna be last you probably a month or something. But if you're using a shampoo, 1 bottle gonna be good for probably more than 6 months. So hope this video was helpful to you, and check out my channel, all hair growth product. There's some really good home remedy that you could make yourself. I'll put the link in the description box, and also you could check it out on my channel playlist, all hair growth home remedy. You don't have to spend any money. There's like, you probably like you go to grocery, you get some of the stuffs, you're probably gonna spend less than $1 a month or something. Okay, you could do that too, home remedy. If you recently start losing hair, the blood flow on your skull, and really gonna help you regrow hair, especially the places you're thinning out here. And you just use 10 minutes. You just use it over here, anywhere you see like you get hair, less hair, you use it. You're gonna see, don't press it too hard, you don't want to bleed out. Get the one with the 1.0, the one I put the link in the description box. Get that one and use it 10 minutes. Like I said, some people always worry about if I'm using something, does it have a side effect and what I'm gonna do with it. Derma roller doesn't have no side effect. Pure ginger, any of them you could use. Pure ginger doesn't have no side effect, so you don't have to worry about that thing, that you're harming your hair more. Actually, you're helping, because you're using the derma roller to blood flow on your skull. That's gonna help you long run. You're gonna see a small little hair gonna come out if you use it every day 10 minutes. Some people say, oh, I used it, didn't work for me, because he probably didn't use it properly, or it didn't work it long enough. See, you didn't lose your hair overnight, so definitely you don't expect your hair to grow back in overnight. You will see slow progress. Some people say, oh, I get hair back in 7 days. I don't know how. That could be miracle, or it doesn't work. So you have to, like I said, if you continue use this in a shampoo, continue using it probably for more than 2 years now, those products. You could check it out in my channel playlist. So it's just simple derma rollers. You could use it, and you don't have to keep on buying this. You just buy one time. You just wash it every time you use it. Just wash it. It gets dirty pretty quick. So you just do it 10 minutes for a month or two with the ginger. You'll see significant difference. And if you see significant difference, please in the comment section just put it on, because I feel personally good that not only it helped me personally with some of the natural product I use over the year, and also I'm helping somebody and somebody using it and helping them. That makes me really feel good. So again, hope this video was helpful to you. If it is, please hit the like button. Thank you so much.